Alright, so we've got a crack. But the good thing is that none of it is missing. So I'm just going to try to even these parts back out so they line back up. Trying to get under there without causing any more damage. Which is proving to be very difficult. I'm sure somebody watching this knows exactly how to do this. Probably screaming at the screen. But I just want to go in behind there so bad. I wonder if I can. Oh, it fucking snapped back in place. Fucking hey. I got it. My one had a crack too, but there was tons of it missing. Now I'm gonna go in here and just Alright. Well, at worst it looks like a scratch now. Alright. Yeah. Now it just looks like a scratch. Instead of a big hole, which is awesome. I bet I could get better at doing that over time. More seamless. Can't feel it. But you can see it a bit. No big deal. I bet Richard's going to be happy with that. He doesn't know that repair's coming.